Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the browser's private window. This isolates browsing history and cookies from your main profile. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows/Linux or CMD+Shift+N on Mac OS to begin immediately. Once the private window opens, make sure to close other tabs that might keep you signed in and sign out of accounts you don't want associated. This step limits local traces and avoids automatic account linkage, so your new session remains separated. Once the private session is active, adjust settings to strengthen privacy. Disable or restrict extensions because many can leak data, and make sure autofill and form saving are off to prevent credential leaks. Also review site permissions, block location, camera, and microphone access unless required. For searches, switch to a non-tracking engine to avoid logs tied to your queries. These steps reduce fingerprinting and persistent storage, while keeping the convenience you need for the task at hand. To finish, close every private window. That action clears session cookies and local storage for that session, which is the intended privacy safeguard. If websites still show previous states, flush your DNS cache or clear the browser's network cache to remove lingering resolution data. If problems continue, restart the browser or try a different profile to rule out extension interference. One key troubleshooting tip: disable all extensions and retry. Many failures stem from extensions that bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.